Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. In today's session, we're going to learn about the ngSwitch directive. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. So talking about ngSwitch directive, it is same as the switch statement in C programming. It specifies an expression to match against. Now the expressions to match are generally provided within the ngSwitchCase directives. Remember that every view that matches is rendered onto the view, and if there are no matches, a view with the ngSwitchDefault directive is rendered, and the elements within the ngSwitch statement but outside of the ngSwitchCase or ngSwitchDefault directive are preserved at the location. To understand the working of this directive, let's head to our text editor, that is VS Code. So here I've created a project called switch, and within which I've created a component called new component. So here in the .ts file, first let's go ahead and create a day property. So this day specifies the day of the week. So let's say public day, and this day is going to receive the day of the week. So for that I'll have to make use of the date method. So let's say new date.getDay. Alright, so basically it returns the current day. Okay, so let me just save this, and back in my HTML file, here I've just added a simple good morning message. And now I'm going to make use of the div tag and say ngSwitch, and I'm going to be making use of the day property, so I'll just say equals day. Alright, and now I'm going to make use of the ngSwitchCase directive. So let's say div ngSwitchCase. So one thing to remember is that when you're making use of the getDay method here, it returns a value, that is a digit. So it returns 0 for a Sunday and 6 for a Saturday. So what we do is here, it's going to be an integer. So when I say ngSwitchCase equals 0, I say let's just display a message saying today is Sunday, you deserve a break, or something like that. A simple message. So I'm going to add the switch case for the rest of the days of the week. If it's a Monday, I'm going to display a separate message, and if it's a Tuesday, Wednesday, and the rest of the days of the week. Alright. So lastly, I'm going to have an ngSwitchDefault which says oh, something's wrong. So I'll let you know how that works. So for now, let's just save this and see, look at the output. So when you look at the browser, it says, hey, good morning, today is Tuesday, smash your goals. So since today is Tuesday, the day I'm recording it, it displays this message. However, I can change it, that is I can customize it. Say for example, I can just create another property here. Let's say public day 2. And let me just give the value 5. 5 is basically Friday. And here in my HTML, I'll just change the property to day 2. And when I save this, and let's have a look now. It says today is Friday, thank God it's Friday. So this is how you can customize it, alright. So now to help you understand how the ngSwitchDefault works, I have changed the property day 2 and I've initialized it to 7. Now if you look at the HTML file, we haven't provided any switch case for 7. Right, so automatically it has to display the default message, that is something is wrong. So now let's save this and have a look at the browser. You can see it says oh, something's wrong. So this is how ngSwitch works in Angular. Alright, so that is it for this session on Angular ngSwitch. If you have any doubts or queries, let us know in the comment section below. We'll get back to you immediately. Watch out for more videos from us on the Angular series. Until then, keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.